Good evening, everyone. Let's look at the stock market wrap-up news update for the day. During closing time, Sensex was down 169 points at 36,025, while Nifty was down 69 points at 10,780. About 692 shares have advanced and 1,829 shares have declined, and 150 shares are unchanged. Bharti Infratel, HCL Tech, Bharti Airtel, Cipla, and Yes Bank were the top gainers on the Nifty, while Z Entertainment, Maruti Suzuki, Ultratech Cement, Hero Motocorp, and Indiabulls Housing were the top losers on the Nifty. Among the sectors, auto index slipped over 3%, followed by banks, FMCG, infra, and metal index. BSE mid-cap and small-cap stocks also finished lower with more than 1% cut. And in commodity news, oil prices rose more than 1% on Friday as turmoil in Venezuela triggered concerns that its crude exports could soon be disrupted. Washington on Thursday signaled it could impose sanctions on Venezuela's oil exports as Caracas descends further into political and economic turmoil. International Brent crude oil futures were at $61.80 a barrel, 70 cents or 1.2% above their last close. The US WTI crude futures were at 53.82 per dollar, up by 69 cents. And gold rose on Friday on concerns about a prolonged US government shutdown at a time when global growth is already slowing, with markets waiting on US China trade talks due next week. Spot gold rose by 0.3% to $1,284.31 per ounce, while US gold futures climbed 0.3% to $1,283.10 per ounce. Among other metals, palladium, which hit a record high of $1,434.5 an ounce last week on low inventories and rising demand, was up 0.2% at $1,322.13 on Friday. Silver rose 0.5% to $15.38 per ounce, while platinum gained 0.2% to $802.50. And in currency news, earlier continuing its upward journey for a third straight day, the rupee strengthened by another 10 paise to 70.97 against the US dollar in early trading. The rupee edged lower in the afternoon session on Friday. Currently, the Indian rupee is trading at $71.14 rupees to the dollar. And in other news, Maruti Suzuki reported its third quarter results. Maruti Suzuki India shares crashed near 9% intraday to break its earlier 52-week low of Rs 6,501.65, which touched on October 26, 2018, after a sharp dip in third quarter earnings. Revenue from operations in Q3 grew by 2% to Rs 19,668 crore in quarter ended December 2018, despite tepid sales volumes driven by price realizations. Maruti volumes dipped by 0.6% year-on-year to 4.29 lakh units. At operating level, EBITDA tanked 36.4% year-on-year to Rs 1,931 crore and margin contracted sharply to 9.8% against 15.8% in the same period last year. Larsen & Toubro also reported its third quarter results, and it reported a strong set of earnings for the quarter ended December 2018 as the profit grew by 37% year-on-year to Rs 2,042 crore, driven by strong revenue growth and operational performance. Revenue from operations in Q3 increased by 24.2% to Rs 35,708 crore on strong execution in project businesses. In other news regarding the stock market, Rain Engine reported its Q3 results with a net loss at Rs 3.4 crore against a loss of Rs 3.2 crore year-on-year. Wonderla Holidays also reported its Q3 results with a net profit which was up at Rs 15 crore versus 6.5 crore. Its revenue was up at 19% at Rs 76.1 crore versus Rs 63.8 crore year-on-year. DHFL's Q3 results showed net profit which was down by 36.7% at rupees 313.6 crore. Revenue was up by 12% at rupees 3,250 crore. Indian Bank also reported its Q3 earnings with a net profit down by 49.7% at rupees 152 crore versus rupees 303 crore. DLF plunged 18% as CBI visited the company's major offices in Delhi NCR in connection to a land acquisition matter. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to create a free Demat account, click the link in the description and fill in your details. And for more videos on stock market and trading, please subscribe to this channel.